Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. You guys know I'm all about embracing your natural beauty, and that includes rocking your gorgeous gray hair. Today we're diving into the 15 best products for gray hair, handpicked by yours truly and some top hairstylists. Whether you're working with a full head of silver or just a few shimmering streaks, these products are about to become your new holy grail. They're here to banish brassiness, boost hydration, and keep those grays looking vibrant, healthy, and full of life. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with a must-have for anyone with gray hair, a purple shampoo. This is L'Oreal Professionnel Silver Anti-Brass Purple Shampoo, and it's a game changer. Gray hair can sometimes develop unwanted yellow tones, making it look dull. This purple shampoo neutralizes those brassy tones, leaving your hair bright and vibrant. Just lather it up once or twice a week, let it sit for a few minutes, and rinse. You'll be amazed at how much brighter and healthier your gray hair looks. Seriously, if you're not using a purple shampoo for your grays, you're missing out. Next up, we've got another incredible purple shampoo for all my platinum blondes and silver foxes. It's the Davines Alchemic Shampoo Silver, a magic potion for your hair. This shampoo is more pigmented, perfect for super light gray or platinum blonde hair. It deposits tiny pigments that neutralize brassiness and keep your hair looking cool and icy. This shampoo is also super gentle and hydrating, so it won't strip your hair of its natural oils. Trust me, your hair will thank you. We've tackled shampoo, but what about a leave-in treatment? It's an essential step that often gets overlooked. Look no further than the IGK L.A. Blonde Purple Toning Leave-In Treatment Spray. This product is a game changer for anyone looking to maintain their hair color. This stuff is a lifesaver, especially if you're constantly heat styling your hair. It helps protect your hair from the damaging effects of heat. It's packed with purple pigments that neutralize yellow tones and keep your gray hair looking fresh. No more brassy tones. This leave-in treatment also provides heat protection, detangles like a dream, and leaves your hair feeling soft and smooth. It's like having a salon treatment at home. It doesn't weigh down your hair at all, which is perfect for those with finer hair. You get volume and bounce without the heaviness. Just spray it on damp hair after washing, comb it through, and style as usual. It's super easy to incorporate into your routine. It's that easy to keep your gray hair looking salon fresh. You'll love the way your hair looks and feels. A must-have for your hair care routine. Don't miss out on this essential product for maintaining beautiful, healthy hair. Not everyone wants to break the bank on hair products, and that's totally understandable. That's why I had to include this amazing budget-friendly option, the Hask Blonde Care 5-in-1 Leave-In Spray. It neutralizes brassy tones, hydrates, detangles, protects against heat styling, and even adds shine. Talk about a powerhouse product. And the best part, it's super affordable. Just spray it on damp hair, comb it through, and style as usual. It's a great everyday product that'll keep your gray hair looking its best. Let's move on from brassiness and embrace the beauty of our natural gray hair. It's time to talk about strengthening those gorgeous gray strands and giving them the care they deserve. As we age, our hair can become weaker, losing its natural strength and vitality. This makes it more prone to breakage and split ends, which can be frustrating. But don't worry, the BioTop Professional 700 Keratin Plus Kale Shampoo is here to save the day. This shampoo is like a protein shake for your hair. It's packed with keratin, a key protein that helps to strengthen and repair damaged hair, making it more resilient. It also contains kale, which is full of vitamins and antioxidants that nourish your hair deeply. These nutrients protect your hair from environmental damage, like pollution and UV rays. It feels like it's rebuilding my hair from the inside out, giving it a new lease on life. If you're struggling with breakage and want stronger, healthier hair, give this shampoo a try. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make. Now it's time to give those gray strands some serious hydration with the BioTop Professional 911 Quinoa Hair Mask. This mask is like a tall drink of water for thirsty hair. It's infused with quinoa, which helps to strengthen and repair hair, and sunflower seed oil, rich in vitamins and antioxidants. This powerful combination leaves your hair feeling incredibly soft, smooth, and hydrated. Just apply it to damp hair after shampooing, leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, and rinse. You'll be amazed at how much softer and more manageable your gray hair feels. Want that mirror-like shine without a trip to the salon? The UI Hair Gloss is about to become your new best friend. This at-home gloss treatment is ridiculously easy to use and gives your hair the most incredible shine. It also helps to smooth down flyaways and frizz, leaving your hair looking polished and put together. And the best part? It comes in a bunch of different shades, so you can find one that perfectly complements your gray hair. Whether you want to enhance your natural color or add a touch of warmth, there's a shade for you. Let's talk about adding some serious shine to those gray strands. The Alpha Parf Milano Semi Delino Diamond Illuminating Shampoo is here to make your hair sparkle and shine like 1,000 diamonds. This shampoo is specifically designed for dull gray hair that needs a little pick-me-up. It gently cleanses your hair while infusing it with shine-enhancing ingredients that leave it looking luminous and radiant. This shampoo also helps to restore your hair's natural luster and vibrancy so it looks healthy and full of life. It's like a mini makeover for your hair. Frizz and flyaways? We don't know them. Not with the Alpha Parf Milano Semi-Delino Moisture Nutritive Leave-In Conditioner in our arsenal. This leave-in conditioner is a godsend for anyone with gray hair that tends to be dry or frizzy. It also helps to detangle hair, making it easier to comb through and style. And the best part? It provides long-lasting moisture, so your hair stays hydrated and frizz-free all day long. Let's talk about the magic of hair oil, especially for gray hair. The Pattern Beauty Argan Oil Blend is a game changer for adding hydration and shine. This luxurious oil blend is packed with 6 nourishing oils, including argan oil and castor oil, known for their moisturizing and strengthening properties. It helps to prevent breakage and split ends, keeping your gray hair looking its best. It's also great for taming frizz and flyaways. Just a few drops is all you need. Time for some serious deep conditioning action with the Hask Keratin Smooth Deep Conditioner. This conditioner is a lifesaver for dry, brittle, or frizzy gray hair. It's like a spa treatment for your hair, infusing it with moisture and keratin to smooth and strengthen each strand. I love using this deep conditioner once a week to give my hair a boost of hydration and strength. Just apply it to damp hair after shampooing, leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, and rinse. Your hair will feel unbelievably soft, smooth, and manageable. If you're looking to splurge on a luxurious hair oil that'll make your gray hair feel like $1,000,000, the Oribe Gold Lust Nourishing Hair Oil is it. This product is a game changer for anyone wanting to elevate their hair care routine. This stuff is pure gold, literally. It contains actual gold particles that reflect light and make your hair look incredibly shiny. Imagine your hair catching the light and sparkling with every move you make. This hair oil is also incredibly nourishing, thanks to a blend of luxurious oils like argan oil, jasmine oil, and edelweiss extract. These ingredients work together to provide deep hydration and essential nutrients to your hair. It deeply moisturizes and conditions hair, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and healthy. You'll notice a significant improvement in the texture and manageability of your hair. I love using this oil as a finishing touch after styling. It not only enhances the overall look but also locks in moisture and adds a layer of protection. It adds the perfect amount of shine and helps to tame flyaways. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to sleek, polished hair that looks salon fresh every day. Need a lightweight leave-in that won't weigh down even the finest gray hair? The Pattern Beauty Leave-In Conditioner is here to save the day. It's packed with hydrating ingredients like aloe vera, coconut oil, and avocado oil, which work together to quench your hair's thirst and leave it feeling incredibly soft and manageable. Just apply a small amount to damp or dry hair, comb it through, and style as usual. Your hair will feel incredibly soft, smooth, and hydrated all day long. We're wrapping up our list with another purple powerhouse, the Moroccan Treatment Purple Hair Oil. This multitasking oil is a godsend for anyone with platinum or gray hair that tends to look brassy. Not only does it neutralize those unwanted yellow tones, but it also adds incredible shine and softness to your hair. It's also great for taming frizz and flyaways. Just a few drops is all you need. One last tip for all my gray-haired beauties out there. Don't be afraid to experiment with different hairstyles and products. Gray hair is incredibly versatile, so have fun with it. The most important thing is to find what makes you feel confident and beautiful. Embrace your gray hair and rock it with pride. And there you have it, folks. The 15 best products for gray hair, according to hairstylists, and yours truly. From banishing brassiness to boosting hydration and adding shine, these products will have your gray hair looking and feeling its absolute best. Remember, gray hair is beautiful. Embrace your natural color and rock it with confidence. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair care tips and product recommendations.